Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, we're going to have a look at the second biggest cryptocurrency and the most used blockchain. Today, we are talking about Ethereum and why we think it could explode to $100,000. So we've seen how explosive the price movements have been since October 2020, starting from around $350 per ETH by the end of that year. It hovered up and down around $1,000 to $1,300 in January, and reached past $1,600 in February. Ethereum then hit its new all-time high of $2,000 on February 20th, though a few days later after that, the market went down over 50%, and we'll talk about that later on. These are some incredible price gains. So are the price hikes now done, and they're only correcting the price? Well, if we look at Bitcoin, we can see some patterns. Bitcoin hit its previous high of just under $20,000 in late 2017 and early 2018. It took nearly 3 years to break that old high on the 16th of last December 2020, officially breaking $20,000 again. Since then, it has surged past the new record of $40,000 in January. That is well over double its previous all-time high, only for the record to be broken again at just below $60,000 on February 21st, and of course, with no end in sight of how high it might go. As we know, Bitcoin is the grandfather of the crypto market. It's the oldest and biggest. It leads first, and Ethereum will follow next. The interesting part is that Ethereum is actually used more in actual daily transactions, with the crypto asset being moved over $1 trillion US in 2020 alone. With Ethereum at its current price of $1,600, we still have more room for gains before it climbs back up to where it was prior to the market going down. We would think it's a good chance to break that in the coming months, if not weeks. And if it follows Bitcoin's pattern of almost doubling its all-time high this cycle, then it's not impossible that we could see Ethereum jump over $3,000. Now, as we mentioned in the beginning, there has been some very aggressive selling in the crypto market over the past week, with prices down on most currencies about 20% from where they were on the weekend. On some exchanges, there were flash crashes in the price, which sent Ethereum down over 50%. The flash crash was people getting liquidated. This is an event where someone has borrowed money in order to try and get more exposure to the market through leverage trading. With liquidation happening, exchanges are fire selling coins, and the price can just waterfall down very quickly, and then snap back up where the new buyers come in. So that explains the crazy drop and then rebound in Ethereum. For those who have been around for a while, you will know that all of this is very normal in crypto markets. The prices of most coins have been going up heavily over the last several months, meaning that many people are sitting on profits. The time always comes when some of them would want to sell and make profits. Then new buyers will enter the market. Bitcoin doubled in price in the past few months, so a pullback is very healthy. So days like the last week are very normal and very healthy for crypto markets as a whole. Okay, so why do we think Ethereum could explode to $100,000? Simply because there are lots of factors driving demand for Ethereum. Besides being the most used blockchain, it also has the most developers working on it. Ethereum is one of the largest cryptocurrencies. It's the second largest cryptocurrency, both in terms of market share and popularity, second only to Bitcoin. Ethereum's native currency, Ether, is not capped, making Ethereum much more scalable than its peers. However, experts believe two main factors that will drive Ethereum's growth are the imminent arrival of Ethereum 2.0 and the increasing demand of decentralized finance. The launch of Ethereum 2.0 is considered to be the most significant event since Bitcoin. Ethereum 2.0 will address long-standing issues that Ethereum faces with scalability and security. Most decentralized apps have been built on Ethereum, and it's now starting to be adopted by institutions, banks, and all sorts of companies to host their business activities. Hence, the Ethereum network has become so busy that it's actually getting very congested at the moment. The developers are building ETH 2.0 to combat this. For many years now, it's just launched its first stage successfully in December. ETH 2.0 will upgrade the network in order to allow the millions of people that are about to start using it, as they will enable the platform to process more transactions, eliminating bottlenecks. The upgrade promises to process up to 100,000 transactions per second. Decentralized finance is also poised to power Ethereum's growth over 2021. DeFi helps people take out loans, deposit money in accounts, and trade in financial products, all without intermediaries or any paperwork. Ethereum is the go-to platform on which DeFi is built. Ethereum uses smart contracts, which are programs running on a decentralized blockchain. DeFi on Ethereum is dependent on the scalability of Ethereum. DeFi projects make up a large part of the Ethereum ecosystem. DeFi has seen incredible growth, and the growth is intertwined with the development of Ethereum. The growth of Ethereum and DeFi can change the way money is used. DeFi on Ethereum has the potential to change the way the financial world functions. In 2017, most of the speculation and hype was built around ICO, initial coin offerings, which is when a new project is launched. Investors can help raise funds to make it happen. Other altcoins build their projects on Ethereum and launch a coin. At that time, most of these projects were just plans with a white paper explaining their plans and a website. These projects sold millions of dollars of coins, all on the Ethereum chain. Fast forward to 2021, and many of these projects have gone and died, and a large group of quality ones now have been working apps, all working on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum being the home to many of the largest crypto projects, including all of the DeFi, bringing billions of dollars onto the network. The DeFi movement was a ticking time bomb waiting to detonate when it finally exploded in 2020. DeFi has grown leaps and bounds over the last year. As Ethereum 2.0 gears up for its transition, there's a lot in store for 2021. Both DeFi and Ether, ETH, have been doing exceptionally well. DeFi has brought a breath of fresh air to the cryptocurrency space, spawning countless new tokens that have revolutionized decentralized lending and borrowing services. This includes a project like Uniswap, whose surge in use has been fueling the DeFi engine for quite some time. This has become one of Ethereum's most prominent features. This has driven the number of smart contract calls on Ethereum to skyrocket. DeFi is currently fully reliant and might just keep growing on the Ethereum platform. It will still be a few years before ETH 2.0 is a significant player in the DeFi space. So for now, all we can do is wait and see. We are still in the early days of its development. The median Ethereum average weekly transfer value has been steadily growing, which is a strong signal that the network is shifting toward fewer novice investors. DeFi and Ethereum are a codependent couple, and while their progress and development run in parallel, they are both growing steadily, yet independently. As both ETHs and the DeFi industry's market capitalization grows, new projects are setting up shop faster than ever before. DeFi has grown into a burgeoning arena for innovation and development in the blockchain space. And with how it grew against insurmountable odds last year, there will be far more windows for growth in the times ahead. Now, in terms of Ethereum going to $50,000 or even $100,000, the truth is no one knows and no one can predict the future. People can try and claim some fantastic numbers to wow people on YouTube, but we will just say that what we believe Ethereum is a technology that will change the internet. More people and businesses will understand and start to use it, eventually revolutionizing the financial industry and perhaps more. So it wouldn't be a surprise to us to see Ethereum more than double in the next 12 months, even outperforming Bitcoin with its recent growth. If you're looking to learn more about business topics like this, stay tuned for our later videos. We will go into depth on various other topics that we're sure will interest you. Also, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.